Hi friends, let's continue exploring the world of crypto. Today we're diving into Bitcoin, the most important and valuable cryptocurrency. 15 years ago, it emerged out of nowhere and now it's worth over $65,000. First and foremost, Bitcoin is a digital cryptocurrency that can be sent to anyone. Here are a few reasons why Bitcoin has become digital gold. It can't be blocked. You bypass banks and other institutions, avoiding high fees and dependency on banks. You can use it worldwide without any restrictions. Now, let's understand mining. Mining is the process of obtaining bitcoins. Imagine a computer performing various tasks to operate. But when you run a special mining program, it focuses on mining bitcoins by solving blocks of information. The network sets the reward amount for solving these blocks, ensuring you earn a predictable number of bitcoins. Bitcoins are stored in a digital wallet and Bitcoin's code is completely open. This means no one can ever change the rules of the game. Additionally, Bitcoin has a stable development plan that includes ideas for increasing its value and providing freedom of action. Most importantly, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any person. Satoshi Nakamoto created it, but we still don't know who this name represents. Bitcoin is now managed by its users. Bitcoin is one of the best currencies and its difficulty justifies its value. Subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye, quacks!